चैनल मैथमेटिक्स अड्डा। और अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाकर इसको चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, so that you will get all the new videos which I am going to deliver in the videos, and you will get a notification for that. So please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon also. Okay, now I hope you all are enjoying the videos, and I hope you all are watching this and you all are doing the same in your home. So today we are going to understand about patterns. Okay, so what are patterns? Patterns means to repeat the things in the order which they are going on. मतलब किसी भी ट्रेडिशनल चीज़ को फॉलो करते जाना और उसे आगे तक सीरीज कंप्लीट करना is called as pattern. So basically there are three types of patterns which we read in mathematics, and those are visual patterns, number patterns, and coding decoding. So what are visual patterns? Like any diagrams and all, if you see any type of drawing diagrams is called as visual patterns. And if there are addition of 10, subtraction of 10, multiplication of 20, like this, if series is going on, that is called as number patterns. And what is coding and decoding? Coding and decoding means we use our alphabets also, A to Z, and the numbers also. We give numbers from 1 to 26 to the letters, and we will write all the alphabets A to Z that are 26 in numbers. Okay, so today we will study about visual patterns. Okay, how to solve it, how to solve them and crack the examinations also. These patterns are not only limited to the primary classes, these help you to crack your competitive exams also, because these types of questions come in a very large quantity. Okay, so we will understand. So in visual patterns there are इंक्रीजिंग और डिक्रीजिंग पैटर्न ऑल्सो, कि अगर कोई चीज़ है वो इंक्रीज होती जा रही है या फिर कोई चीज़ है वो डिक्रीज होती जा रही है. ओके, एंड थर्ड वन इज डायरेक्शंस. कुछ डायरेक्शंस होती हैं कि चीज़ों की डायरेक्शंस चेंज हो रही है, इस टाइप के पैटर्न्स होते हैं. सो वी विल लुक आफ्टर दोज. ओके, लाइक दिस. ओके, okay, so my dear friends, what is going on basically in this type of pattern is there is one square and one circle is inside it, then four small figures are here: square, triangle, rectangle, and circle. In my series the next figure represents one square, then two circles inside, then these places. You have to look after these places. How to recognize each and every pattern? First of all, the main thing you will observe, then the inside thing and the smaller ones. Okay, so अब ये square इधर shift हुआ, ये triangle downwards, ये rectangle to the left, and this circle to the upside. Okay, so if anyone says that continue this pattern, what will you do? Square, three circles should be there because the number of circles is increasing in the pattern. Now this triangle move towards here, this rectangle towards here, and circle here and square here. What is the next pattern in the series? One square, 1, 2, 3, 4 circles. Okay, triangle here, square here, circle here, sorry, here it will be rectangle, and then square here. इसको हम एक और बार कंटिन्यू करने का कहा जाए तो भी हम कर सकते हैं. सो लाइक दिस माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, यू हैव टू कंप्लीट द पैटर्न्स, विजुअल पैटर्न्स. यू हैव टू ऑब्जर्व इट वेरी कीनली एंड देन यू विल फॉलो द रूल्स एंड you will do the same. Now if I say, I said to you that directions also matters. So like if okay. So if I am saying that this is my pattern, okay, so one circle, triangle, upwards, one circle, triangle, shift towards the clockwise direction, then downwards, then again this side, and the next pattern, what will be the next pattern? This one. What will be the next pattern? This one will be the same as the starting one. So my dear friends, never get confused if the 4 patterns have been given to you, and if this 5th one has been asked, that what should you do? You should not get confused कि अरे तो यही वाला आ गया. No, don't worry, the pattern is the thing that repeats itself again and again, okay, rather in the increasing order rather in the decreasing order, but कभी तो वो initial stage पे वापस से आएगा pattern. Okay, so if you have remembered the flooring of your house, तो जहाँ से स्टार्ट हुई है अगर उसके आगे बढ़ती जा रही है तो वहीं पर आकर एंड भी होगी. सो नेवर गेट कन्फ्यूज्ड. सो दिस इज द सेम. okay, so like this you have to crack the patterns in the examinations. Let us take one more example. Okay, one more example if we take, then what it will be? Like this. Okay, if I say continue 2 more patterns in the series, will you be able? Yes, there is one circle and one arrow upside, then there is this circle is the same and one arrow here, one arrow is the sleeping arrow, and then we will obviously we are able to continue it. What will be the next? This one, and what will be the next? 4 arrows should be there. So this is our completed pattern. So like this we can understand the visual patterns and we can crack the examinations also. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, bye bye.